Let's check out this freehold townhouse, huge end unit in the high demand Castlemore location with spacious floor plan, 1800 square feet above grade. Let's start off our tour and show you the tons of upgrades been done in this property. Let's go. Welcome to your next Kingdom 100 Delport Close in Brampton. I'm showing you here the kitchen with the under-mount sink and quartz countertop with a dark color, kitchen cabinet, microwave, and top-notch appliances. And here is the dining room that you're gonna sit with your family and enjoy your meal. And then we have the living room, huge space here to fit all your couches, and big windows overlooks the backyard and access door to the backyard as well. Let's start the other upgrades in the house and show you all the details. Hope you enjoy the showing. For private showing, call me Alaa Younan, broker of record of Alaa Younan Realty, 416-617-9150.